So today I'm going to be showing you how to change out your spark plugs on your car. I have a 07 Mustang that I'm going to be replacing mine on. It hasn't given me any problems, but you're supposed to change about every 30,000 miles, so I think it's about time for a change. So the first thing you're going to need, well, the first few things, you don't really need that many. You're going to need a 5/8 socket, deep socket. Actually, this one is specifically for spark plugs, so it's magnetic, and there's also, I don't know if you can see, it has some rubber in there, so it can help grip it a little better and pull the spark plug out. I got this one for $6 at AutoZone, but it is very worth the $6. It makes it a lot easier. Then I have this little extender right here. I have this going to connect onto here, because without it, you're going to see that it can't really, hold on, let me try to put it on there real quick. Without it, you're going to see that it's really hard to like get in there and twist. It's not going to fit on there. So one of these also, and then of course your ratchet. If you don't have one of these, what is it, the socket right here, the magnetic one, you can also use this extended magnet. So once you loosen it out with your 5/8 socket, you could just stick it in there and just pull out the spark plug. Alright, these are the spark plugs we'll be replacing. So here's the new ones here. And then this is the old one that I had. See, it's kind of corroded on there. These ones that I got, they did come pre-gapped. I still looked it up in my car and made sure that they were for the specifications that it said in the owner's manual, but they did come pre-gapped. Everything, it was exactly like it said. And you also don't need anti-seize on these ones. You could always get it and put it on there, but on the box too, on this one, no anti-seize, no gapping. So I got these ones for $7. Well, I got the 4-pack first for like $25, then 2 extra ones because my car's 6-cylinder. 2 extra ones for $7 on Amazon. Actually, 2-day shipping. Okay, so the spark plugs you're gonna see. So if you have 6-cylinder, 6 spark plugs, 4-cylinder, 4 spark plugs, 8, you know, etc. So mine are actually located right here. You have 1, 2, see right here, 1, 2, and 3. I don't know if you can see that. So there's 3 right there, and there's gonna be 3 on the opposite side there. You have, oh, you can see 1 right there, 1, 2, the second one, and then there was one right here, but I already took one out. It's like over there. You do want to unplug your battery before you start, just in case. See, there's one right here. So you're gonna take off this plastic cap that's on it. You just want to twist it. Let me do it this way. You just want to twist it and kind of pull it until it comes loose. Let's do that first. There you go. So the little thing. And then your spark plug's gonna be, let me see if I can get in there. You probably can't see it, but it's like right there. Right there. So then you're just gonna get your ratchet and just loosen it up. Don't just like twist the, super twist it, you know, because you don't want to break off, where is it? You don't want to break off the little piece in there, because sometimes they do get broken off and then it'll be stuck inside there, and it's going to be really annoying. So okay, so you're just going to pull this out and the spark plug will come out with it. It should come out with it. There it goes. See, because it's the magnetic thing, so there's a spark plug. It's not too bad, but and that's pretty much it. Then you're just gonna put the new one. So here's some old ones. You're just gonna put that new one in like that, and then you're just gonna do the same thing with the other side. Now you're just gonna put your battery back on. Oy. Carefully put your battery back on. Get something to light. I was turning it the wrong way. The first time you start it up, it might have a delay a little bit, But I just wanted to start it again so you can see how fast. You will have to reset your radio and everything, since I did unplug the battery, but it's safer. And it's all sunshine and rainbows from there. And that's it. I hope you guys liked my video.